Dubai, the city of luxury and dreams. A teaser for you. Futuristic skylines, rolling deserts, turquoise beaches, floating islands, record-breaking landmarks, souks buzzing with golden spices. Dubai is like nowhere else. Is this your kind of escape? 1. If you love luxury, sail on private yachts, dine sky high, and explore the Sheikh Zayed Road. 2. Adventure seekers, experience skydiving over the Palm, riding a hot air balloon above endless dunes, or jet skiing across the Gulf. 3. If culture excites you, wander through Al Fahidi, Dubai Creek, and heritage houses. 4. Families will find unlimited joy in water parks, aquariums, VR theme parks, and desert shows. 5. And for shopping enthusiasts, from gold to fashion, Dubai will always tempt you to bring an extra suitcase. The A-listers of the map. 1. Downtown Dubai. This is where Dubai shows off with skyscrapers touching the clouds. By night, the fountain puts on a show that's photogenic from every angle. Must-visits here: Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall, and Museum of the Future. 2. Palm Jumeirah, a palm-shaped island in the middle of the sea, visible even from space. Soak in villas on private beaches, witness Atlantis, and tick off skydiving if it's on your list. Must-visits here: Atlantis Aquaventure, The Point, and Palm Boardwalk. 3. Old Dubai. Before skyscrapers, this was Dubai. Wooden dhows, winding alleys, and bustling souks. Must-visits here: Gold Souk, Al Fahidi District, Bar Dubai, and Spice Souk. 4. Jumeirah, the beachfront side of Dubai, where luxury hotels meet sandy shores. Dreamy sunsets, beachy cafes, and that very famous sail-shaped hotel. Must-visits here: Burj Al Arab, Wild Wadi Water Park, and Jumeirah Beach. Hidden gems of Dubai. 1. Madinat Jumeirah, a modern take on souks with canals and Abra rides. 2. Love Lake, two man-made heart-shaped lakes in the desert surrounded by mesquite trees. Sunset here is absolutely magical. 3. Arte Museum Dubai, located in Dubai Mall. Step into eternal nature, where art isn't just seen but also felt, with flower gardens made of light, scented secret forests, and much more. 4. Coffee Museum, a cozy old Dubai spot, tracing the story of coffee with artifacts and tastings. Bucket list stops. Don't miss these icons. 1. Dubai Miracle Garden, castles, plains, huts, all made of flowers. 2. Hatta, kayak turquoise waters, hike rugged peaks, wander heritage villages. 3. Dubai Frame, one glass bridge, old Dubai on one side, new on the other. 4. Global Village, 90 plus cultures, food, shopping, and shows. One world in one place. Quick stops you'll love. 1. Blue Waters Island, home to Ain Dubai, the world's tallest wheel towering over the sea. 2. IMG Worlds of Adventure, thrill straight out of Marvel and Cartoon Network. 3. Dubai Opera, world-class performances in a dove-shaped venue. Voya Pro Tip: carry a scarf or shawl because it's handy for mosques, malls, and dessert evenings. For more such travel tips, follow our Instagram channel. Coming back to Dubai. Photo-worthy corners: Observatory Deck, view at the Palm, and Burj Khalifa, 124th and 125th floors. The highlight: 1. Desert Safari. Enjoy dune bashing, bird watching near the remote lake, and a camel ride across the sands during sunset. Meet owls, hold a falcon, and watch a live performance before ending the night with a barbecue dinner under the stars, complete with music and fire shows. 2. Hot air balloon ride. Watch the sun rise over endless dunes and wandering gazelles. 3. Al Marmoom. Enjoy camel racing, bird watching, golden sunset, stargazing, and authentic Emirati desert life. Once in a lifetime experiences. Dining in the sky. Driving supercars on Dubai autodromes. Helicopter ride over the city and desert campfire under the Milky Way. Taste and indulge. Local delights. Shawarma, lukaimat, majboos, and Arabic coffee with dates. Vegetarian, Indians get everything from dosas to biryanis, thalis to chaats. And when you're done, there's falafel, hummus, fetush, and breads to treat your taste buds with. Shopping and souvenirs. Gold jewelry from Gold Souk. Oud perfumes with rich Arabian scents. Spices and dried fruits from souks. Chocolates stuffed with dates. Luxury labels from Dubai Mall or Mall of the Emirates. Travel like a pro. Best time to visit? November to March. Cooler, outdoor friendly. April to May. Warming up, still doable for sightseeing, but outdoor activities get hotter. June to September. Extremely hot, mostly indoor attractions, shopping and pool time. October. Temperatures start to drop, still warm but more comfortable than peak summer. How many days do you need? 4 to 6 days for a good mix of city, desert and beaches. 5 to 7 days for a much immersive experience. How to get around? Metro connects key spots, taxis like Uber and Karima everywhere, and private transfers make it seamless. What to pack? Light clothes, modest wear for cultural sites, and swimwear for resorts. Pocket-friendly hacks? For shopping, look out for Dubai Shopping Festival deals. Still unsure? Not sure where to start? Your Voya holiday manager will curate a Dubai itinerary your way.
Limited period holiday deals await, but not for too long. Book fast with Voya.com.
If you found our content informative, do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay tuned.